I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that I've been ready to film and I know that you guys have been waiting to see. It is my closet. I am finally going to declutter it. I hope that I can get it all done today. It's a little late in the day. It's after 4 o'clock. I thought it was after 3. Okay, so I am going to try to get this done in less than 2 hours. Let's go see. And I'll let you go take a look. I did film a preview of this, just a quick, glimpse at one of my other videos at the end of it. So let's go take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I'm so embarrassed. I just want you guys to know this. I'm extremely embarrassed of my closet. These boxes have been sitting there since Christmas, so they've been there for almost 6 months. This is not staged. It has really looked like this for several months. The reason there's so much randomness down here is because I have dumped out purses, multiple purses, I believe 2. I've recently pulled this stuff out, which made it a lot worse in here. It's just horrible. I don't even know if I'm going to mess with the top shelves here on our closet. I really do want to focus on the floor, obviously. So let's get started.
Turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. To all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Street
Okay, so this is where we're at right now. Sorry if you hear a noisemaker in the background. My 3-year-old is taking a nap very late in the day. So I'm just gonna point out some stuff before I move it around. This right here is stuff that I need to go through and either sell, donate, or save for the next daughter in line. I have 3 girls. That is a couple of Halloween costumes and some cloth diapers that I still need to sell. This is a bag that we use for camping. This is my husband's. I need to wipe it off. That's also my husband's stuff. So he's going to have to go through what's in that box to clean it out, because I'm not going to. I don't know what he wants to keep or anything like that. And there's a couple of his shoes. And here's what my bathroom looks like. So, yeah, this is what my bathroom looks like. All of these, everything in here and all of these boxes are going to recycling. So I gotta bring all that downstairs and break down the boxes and all that fun stuff.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by 4th. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I did get all of this done the whole time my husband was at the grocery store, so I'm kind of impressed with myself. I am going to show you just a quick overview of what everything looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
He's not the one, babe.